Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Satya from Unboxing AWS. Today we are going to see about how to create a website without any coding skills with free domain name and hosting. Let's get started. So in Google, search for profreehost.com. This is a website which provides us free domain name. Click on the first link. Click on register now button. This is completely free. Please register with your Gmail account and then click OK. Once you have registered, you will get an account activate mail in your account. Please click on activate account. Once you click that, it will take you to this link. Click on create new account to create a free domain name. So type in your desired domain name and search for its availability. Let me type Satya SS. So it's showing that this domain name is available. So we are ready to go. Click on OK. So the domain name is getting created. Please be wait. This takes a few while. So it's now created. Click on manage. Now click on control panel. We are going to install software named WordPress. This is the software which we are going to use for designing our website. So scroll down, click on I approve. Scroll down. Under software, click on SoftwareQL's apps installer. There it is. This is the WordPress software which helps us designing our website. Click on install. Scroll down and create your username and password. Please remember this username and password and note it down somewhere, because this is the username and password which you will be requiring to design your website. Scroll down, click on install. So this takes a few minutes. Please be patient. This WordPress is completely free to design. It doesn't require any coding skills. So we have installed the software successfully. So also we can see that there is an official link for our website. Let's click on this link. This is it, guys. This is the website which we created using WordPress, and this is the domain name which we got free from profreehost.com. This is just a sample template of WordPress. We are going to edit it. So let's get started. So in order to edit your website with WordPress, you have to log in as WordPress admin. So type in your website address and at the end type wp-admin. So it takes you to the admin login page. Use the username and password which you have created just a while before. Click login. So first we are going to import a theme for our website. So go to appearance and select themes. Scroll down and choose add new theme. Search for a theme named Astra. This is a theme which is very easy for beginners to work on building your website. This is the theme. Click on install. This takes a few minutes. Please be patient. So click on activate. So click get started. So this is the tool Elementor which we use to build our website. Click on Elementor. So these are the website templates which are available for us. This contains both paid and free website templates. So let's just now filter out the paid. Just choose a free website templates. So these are the free templates which are available. You can choose anything based on your interest. So it's all free. So let's choose this template, interior designer. So these are the web pages available for this template. You can choose either one of the pages, or you can import a complete site. Let's import complete site. Click on import. This takes few minutes, please be patient. So now that the template is imported successfully, let's check. This is how our website was before. Let's click refresh. So guys, we can see that the template which I have chosen is successfully imported. So this is just the template which we imported. So we now need to edit these contents of this template based on our interest. So in order to edit this thing, just select whatever thing you want. Suppose just click the edit with Elementor tool and select this text, delete it and type in anything which you want. Welcome to my website. And then after that, click on update below. This is very important. You have to update after each editing. Then you can also import new images or delete images. Let's say we change this image. Click on that image, choose image. You can just drag and drop the file. So drag and drop the image which you want, and the image is successfully imported. So that's it. So and click on update. Let's edit few more things. Scroll down. So let's edit this phone number. Just select it, delete the text which you want and type in the text which you need. Just simple. You have to select the text, delete it and then change it. After that, click on update. Photo, you have to just select the photo, choose the image, drag and drop and click on import. So let's see whether the edits have been done. Go to our website URL and let's see. So we can see that the text edit have been live, and let's see. So the image has also been edited and the bottom phone number is also available. The changes which are made are available. So this is it, very simple. You have to just select anything. For example, for text, you select the text, delete the text and type in whatever you want. And if it is an image, select the image and choose the image and browse for the desired image file. Just drag and drop it and then click on import media and your image will be imported. And this is the way you have to create build the web pages, text and media. But remember to click on update every time you make an edit. So now let's see the about me content we have just edited. Click on refresh. There you go. This is the edit which we made just now. Slide. So now we know how to edit the web page content, but let's see how to edit this header. Click on customize and then choose the blue button. in order to edit this hire me button, choose on the blue color icon, click on it, and then let's change the text of the button. Instead of hire me, let's change it to mm, talk with me. So you can similarly do to other things. These homes, about, services, those are the pages. And then click on publish. The edits have been published. We can see that the hire me button text have been changed to talk with me. So just you have to click on it and just edit it. Close this. See, the button name has been changed. So in order to create a new page, click on new and then click on page. This requires to add any new page which you want to develop it. So first give a title for your new web page. Let's say, let me tell my services, and then choose edit with Elementor. Elementor is the tool which we are using. So this is a blank page. You have to just drag and drop the text or images, and you have to design your web page. For example, let's drag the heading, and then you're gonna add your heading here, like services, anything. So in the similar way, you can just drag and drop, browse for any images and drop it, and then you can design your web page. Otherwise, there are predefined set of templates available here. You can just do it. Let's delete this and then choose Astra. So these are the templates which are again seen earlier before. You have to choose anything and choose a specific page which you want to import, and you for editing. Let's choose this about. Click on import template. That's it, it has been imported. So now again similar as before, you know how to do edit text, how to import a media like video or images. So type in, select the text, delete it, and type in the thing you want, and then click on publish. So our page is live. Let's have a look. Click on have a look button. It takes you to the new page which is created just now. So we can see that this is the my services page which we just created. So these are the things which we can edit it. As before we have explained in the home page, just select the text, change the text using this edit with Elementor button. Let's do it again. So just select this text, delete it, and then type in your text whichever you want. The similar way, images or videos, just click on the image or video and choose the image or video, browse for the file, and then just drag and drop it, and your media will be imported successfully. This is so simple, and this is the easiest way to create a website, but it all requires a practice, a bit more practice. You have to practice a lot in order to design your own customized website according to your likes. So click on update. So this is it. You have created a new page and you have made some edits, and we can see that the my services page is not available in the header. In the header there are other pages like home, about, services, but the my services page which we have created is not available. So let's add it in the header. Go to our website address, and we are going to add that in the header. So we can clearly see that the newly created my services page is not available. So we are going to add this page in the header. For this, click on customize, and then choose anything with pressing shift plus left button mouse, and then scroll down and click on add items and choose our page my services. Click on it and then click on publish. So we can now directly see that the my services page is added in the header. So let's refresh our website, and then let's click on the my services. It takes to us the web page which we just now created, and we can see the edit which you have done is also live. So this is it, guys. This is it for this video. We are saying how to create a free domain name, how to install WordPress. We have seen how to import a theme, installing a theme Astra, and we have seen how to edit the contents of the web page, text, how to edit a text, how to import photos. We have also seen how to create a new web page, and how to edit it, and how to add the new web page which we just created in the header. So this is it for the video, and if you like my video, please click on the like button, share my videos and comment on my videos. I will be replying to your comments. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting tech videos. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks. This is Satya signing off from Unboxing AWS.